What if I told you that one of the most important chapters in human history was never fully told? Not because it didn't exist, but because it changes everything. Before empires, before borders, before recorded history itself, there were people living in the Levant, not just surviving, but transforming the way humans lived forever. They are known as the Natufians. But here's the part that should make you stop and think. Why does almost no one talk about them the way they should? These were among the first humans to shift towards settled life. They built communities, developed early systems of living, and created a foundation that many civilizations would later build upon. This wasn't just another ancient tribe. This was a turning point. Now fast forward thousands of years. History tells us about migrations, new populations, new cultures arriving from different regions, Anatolia, the Caucasus, Iran, and beyond. And that's true. But here's what's rarely explained clearly. Those arrivals didn't simply replace what existed before. They mixed with it, blended into it, adapted to it. And over time, something new was formed. Modern genetic studies suggest that traces of very ancient populations in this region still exist today, not as isolated groups, but as part of a much bigger, more complex human story. This challenges the simple idea that history is just a sequence of one group replaces another. Instead, it reveals something deeper: continuity, layers, connections across time. So the real story isn't about who owns the past. It's about understanding how the past never truly disappears. It evolves. It reshapes itself. It lives on in ways we are only beginning to understand. And maybe that's why this topic feels so powerful. Because it's not just about ancient people. It's about us, who we are, where we come from, and how much of that ancient world is still part of us today. So next time you hear a simple version of history, ask yourself, what's missing? Because sometimes, the most important truths are the ones that were never fully told. Title: What if history got it wrong about our origins?